Meaning of Mancunian.
Mancunian. Mancunian.
Adjective. Definitions. 1. Of or relating to Manchester, a city in northwest England. 2. Of or relating to the people or culture of Manchester. Examples. 1. The Mancunian dialect is distinct from other Northern English dialects. 2. The Mancunian music scene has produced many famous bands. Noun. Definitions. 1. A native or inhabitant of Manchester. 2. A person from or associated with Manchester. Examples. 1. As a Mancunian, I'm proud of our city's industrial heritage. 2. The Mancunian football team has a dedicated fan base.
Mancunian. Mancunian.